Imagine a world where your finances are managed smarter than ever before, where AI knows your spending habits, helps you save effortlessly, and even grows your wealth while you sleep. Sounds futuristic? Well, it's happening right now. In this video, we'll explore how AI is transforming personal finance in 2025 and how you can leverage it to achieve financial freedom. Stay with me till the end, because what you're about to discover might completely change the way you manage your money. Artificial intelligence is no longer just for tech geeks or big corporations. It's entering our daily lives, and personal finance is one of the biggest areas where it's making waves. From budgeting to investing, AI is making managing money smarter, faster, and more personalized than ever before. Let's start with budgeting, one of the most crucial yet tedious parts of personal finance. AI-driven apps like Mint and YNAB are now smarter than ever. They analyze your spending patterns, identify unnecessary expenses, automatically categorize your transaction. And here's the best part. These tools can even predict future expenses based on your habits, helping you plan ahead without lifting a finger. Imagine getting a notification like, "You're on track to overspend on dining out this month. Here's a way to save." AI makes it possible. Now let's talk about investing. Gone are the days when you needed a financial advisor to guide you. AI-powered platforms like Betterment and Wealthfront act as your personal robo-advisors. They analyze market trends 24/7, build customized portfolios tailored to your financial goals, and constantly rebalance your investments to maximize returns. These tools eliminate human biases, reduce costs, and make investing accessible to everyone, even if you're just starting with $100. Struggling to save money? Apps like Digit and Capital use AI to automate saving. They monitor your income and expenses in real time, calculate how much you can afford to save without impacting your daily needs, and transfer small amounts to your savings account automatically. And for debt, tools like Tally use AI to prioritize which debts to pay off first, saving you money on interest and helping you become debt-free faster. But that's just the beginning. The future of AI and personal finance is mind-blowing. AI will soon predict major financial trends, helping you make better decisions before they happen. Smart contracts powered by AI and blockchain could revolutionize loans and insurance. And imagine a virtual financial coach, accessible 24/7, who understands your unique needs and goals better than any human could. AI isn't just a tool, it's becoming your ultimate partner in financial growth. Now, here's the question. Are you ready to embrace this financial revolution? AI is no longer the future, it's the present. Start exploring these tools today and take control of your financial destiny. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights that simplify personal finance and bring you closer to financial freedom. Until next time, take charge and keep building your save sphere.